done working out and the package just arrived. I want to unbox this because I am very excited when the package arrives every time. So let's do this. This is the package. I don't remember what I've ordered. Let's unbox this. Oh, they are socks. I ordered a lot of socks. What? It is like a lot. Actually, it's for me and my sister. So first one is like the bear, with the bear, 5 color. This is brown, black, and this is white, and this is nude color, and this is light pink. The quality is not that great because I just ordered it with fair price. We always lose our socks because we are a big family. We always lose everything in this house. And then the other one is, wait, this is the one that I chose. So it is great quality with the same price. I don't know, the design is different, quality is quite a little bit different than the other bear one. This one looks a little bit cheap fabric, but this one looks normal quality. So this is, I love it. This is also bear, and then this is the brown one, and there is 2 bears, brown and white, and this is 3 bears, 2 tulip flowers. These 5 pair of socks is what I ordered and what I chose. This one is like I will share that with my sister. Next one is also I will share with my sister. It comes like 10 pair of socks. The quality is not so nice, but it is okay for me. When they are like pink shade, like this. There are like 10 pairs, so there are a lot of different shades and different color, but the theme is the same. This one is cute. This one is also cute, and like this. I also bought this kind of package like 2 years ago. It's like 15 pairs of socks. I think it's all gone. I don't know where it went. I just don't know where it went. It's so strange. I always lose things. My siblings also lose things too. I don't know. It's not actually lost it. It's just like they're like hiding somewhere because there are so many stuff of so many people in this house. I don't know where to find. I don't know where it goes. Satisfied with the socks because they are so pretty. Yes, I love the tulip one. Hello you guys, I've done showering and all the stuff. I've done my laundry. I want to show you the one thing that I ordered and very satisfied with what I ordered. I think there's nothing that I'm not satisfied with what I've ordered. This one is real. I've ordered long sleeve top. Actually, I have already tried them on. It's not my first expression. I've already tried them on when it just arrived. I think it's yesterday. I didn't record that, but I want to show you this one. Okay, so I absolutely love the quality. The design around the chest area is super cute and trendy. And the fabric is nice and thick with just a little bit of stretch. Don't bother my pajamas. I wanna show you the top. Oh my gosh. These days I'm in love with a kind of fabric, like thick fabric, so even after lots of washes, it won't wear out easily. The long sleeve length is also perfect for me, and it is one of my favorite part. Another one. This is the second one. It's White Cardigan. I love this one more because I don't know. I think it doesn't really suit me that well. The tag hasn't. What I'm really in love is that when I order some like long sleeve top from online, I have long limbs, so I need more of like longer sleeve than other. So this one is, I'll show you how it is on my body. Even though it's very hot in summer, the rain is coming and also the winter will come too. I'm also in love with long sleeve. Even I cannot wear those this hot summer, I can wear them soon. This unboxing is done. Also, this I've already unboxed though. As you can see, I bought the pink headband and beauty glasses. I like to see and buy the kind of like cute things when they pop up on my feed. So I bought it because I think it's cute. I'm not gonna lie, the headband quality is really nice. It only costs 5,000 jet and the quality is so great. And the glasses, I just like ordered it. I don't know, it will fit me, and then it turns out like it really doesn't look good on me. So I'm finding my perfect hairstyle to go well with the glasses. And this is, it says 2-layer stainless steel coffee dripper, like cone dripper. At home, I don't have a coffee machine and I'm the coffee lover, so I think I need that one. That's why I ordered this, and I'll put the video clip of how to use it, so keep watching. Another 2 small packages arrived, so let's unbox this. I bought the cool tone blusher. I was in love with the color, like cool tone pink color blusher, but it is cheap, so it doesn't really show the pigmentation. It only shows like white color on my skin tone. I don't know where to use it anymore. I've always thought that my skin tone is neutral, but I think my skin tone is warm tone. But anyway, this product is not so good. And I also ordered the eyebrows because I ran out of my eyebrows, so just order what I saw on that website. So this one is okay for me to use. I will link down below in the description for all the products that I unboxed. And then there is another package. I ordered the cute bottle opener because that line is my favorite. I also bought the sensor light because the design is very minimalist. It is also compact and lightweight and very easy to install anywhere you need. It has magnet at the back, so it is very easy to charge. For me, I will place it in my closet. So after today's unboxing vlog and also review, I hope you enjoyed getting a closer look at these products. If you have any question, you can drop them below in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. So thank you so much for watching and see you guys very soon.